Hello guys, so ito ang mukbang namin. Dalawa kaming kakain. Ito, may prinitong isda, talong, may hot. Hello guys, magandang hapon guys. Ito magmumukbang kami. May soup, nilagang karne, ayan. May kangkong. Tapos ito naman, nilagang okra, hotdog at saka longganisa, prinitong baboy, at saka prinitong manok. May ice cream, may coke, ayan ang sawsawan ng toyo. At may kamatis. Yan, mga prutas guys, o sari-saring prutas. Dragon fruit, may apple, may orange. At saka ito, di ko alam pangalan eh. May kiwi, mas lemon, ayan. Yan guys ang mukbang namin. Ito, may sabaw. O, diba? Serve na ang lunch. Nakalimutan namin guys yung cake. Ang happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mare. Kaloka naman.
Mag-picture pa ako.
Happy birthday. How old are you? 4 years old. 4 years old. Ito guys, happy birthday Mari. 4 years old siya.
Thank you, Mari.
Ito ang Mari ko na may birthday. Ito ang handa namin. Dalawa lang kami kasi kakain. Mukbang na guys. O ayan. Malamig na itong sabaw namin. Kanina pa. May ice cream. O ayan, may coke.